Hey guys, it's Freedoming6 and we just left to go to Moose Haven. It's not raining anymore. We'll just stop by Home Depot. What are you doing?
I want to do something weird.
But ow! Ow! Let go! Tie-dye shirt for the win.
Look at mine.
For USA! USA! Look, there's his. Mine. His. Mine. His. Mine. His. Mine. His.
That's just it.
Peoples. Where are you, Peoples? Okay, there you are. Peoples. I want to see Peoples. Oh, there's Peoples. There. See that? Peoples. Peoples. Where's Peoples? There's Peoples. Right there. See? There. Oh, there's Peoples. Over there. Right there. Yeah. Oh, there's more Peoples. You're hiding behind the tree. I see that. No, stop. Keep moving. Stop looking at those chairs. Stop looking at the chairs. Turn down the music. I'm trying to make a video. Stop looking at those pink chairs over there.
Pink chairs? Where?
Yeah, see? There's moving Peoples. You see her? See over there? Oh, there's another one. So guys, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I made it. Subscribe. Home Depot Road. Home Depot Road. Home Depot Road. Home Depot. Me Road. Black car. Squirrel. Haha, got you.
Go Nose.
Yes, Florida State Seminoles. There's more Peoples. Oh, there's a people right there. Peoples. Tom, I was looking at you. Soccer ball.
I'm right there. That's my soccer ball. I'm a beast at soccer. By the way,
Beast.
guys. I am 9. I am playing U10 Elite Travel. Technically, I play U9. I play 9-year-olds,
There's Daddy.
10-year-olds, and 11-year-olds.
There's Daddy and a people behind him. Peoples. Well, there's more Peoples.
Old peoples.
Don't say that.
I'm just kidding.
He looks pretty. What you doing by your car?
Pretty good for his age. I think. Depends on how old he is.
I had keys made here before too.
Yeah, I had one in here, it didn't work.
And then I go make one at Lowe's and Mayo or the other one. Get your feet off here. And then it works. And he made me a key again and it looks the same exact as the other keys. And I'm like, that's not gonna work again. You see that little notch?
Oh, yeah,
Our
it
key
messes
doesn't have
up.
it.
It messes it up.
That's what I told him. So I was like, here, make another key. And that key still has a notch.
Hey, do
have
the
to go.
Did you
train
pay
horn.
for these over and over?
No, they kept switching those out. I paid for this one again. But if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna go to one near the shop and be like,
Do the train horn for my viewers. Hi, did you hear that? Okay. Hope you're paying attention. Because we're only doing it once. Gonna end this video here, guys. See y'all next time.